Hoang channel. Porsche is adding two distinctly sporty and high-specification models to its mid-engine sports car range, the 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 and the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0. The new two-seaters are powered by a 294 kilowatts, 400 PS, 4-liter 6-cylinder Boxer engine, similar to that used in the 718 Spider and the 718 Cayman GT4. When combined with the manual 6-speed transmission and sports exhaust system, this results in exceptional power delivery and a particularly rewarding driving experience. It achieves the sprint to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds on its way to a top speed of 293 km per hour. Thanks to standard Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) sports suspension, as well as a 20 mm lower ride height and Porsche Torque Vectoring (PTV), with mechanical limited slip rear differential, the new generation of GTS achieves a remarkable balancing act between dynamic handling and everyday comfort. The standard Sport Chrono package with upgraded Porsche Track Precision app also emphasizes the athletic character of the mid-engine sports cars. Black contrasting design elements and a dark Alcantara interior create highlights typical of GTS models. The 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 will be available in Germany, including country-specific equipment and 19% VAT, at a price of €81,926, while the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0 will be priced at €83,949. Both models will be available at German dealerships from the end of March 2020. In the interior, dark Alcantara creates a sporty, elegant ambience. This is used for the center panels of the standard Sport Seats Plus, as well as the steering wheel rim, center console, gear lever and armrests on both doors. In the 718 Cayman GTS 4.0, it also covers the A-pillars and the roof lining. The optional GTS interior package adds another color. The choice here is between carmine red or crayon. This accentuates the rev counter, seat belts, all decorative seams including the embroidered GTS emblem in the headrests and the Porsche lettering on the floor mats with black borders. The trim elements as well as the center console trim are made of carbon.